Welcome back to MurphReviews. My name is Alexis, and today we are going to be checking out the Sony WH-1000XM4. All right. All right, so it looks like we have easy setup little thing right here. Download the app, number one, and then power on your headphones and connect via app. Okay, we'll do that here in a second. Let's see what we got in the box first. So it looks like what we have is a nice hard case so far. Okay. So it looks like it comes with a headphone jack. Looks to be a airplane adapter, which that's pretty odd. It looks like it's an audio airplane adapter. And then we have a USB-C to A. I'm guessing that's for charging. And then the main course and its wonderful folding style, which we have here. I love that. You can break it down either direction and it swivels. So talking price, this one came out to be $349.99 over at Best Buy. When I purchased it, I looked around online as well, and it's still about the same. So the colors that this comes in is I have the black, as you can see. They have midnight blue, and then they also have a silver color as well. Looking back over the design material, it has these super soft, pressure relieving ear pads. This is what I'm getting from the actual site, which honestly they do feel pretty soft. They have like this knit webbing right over where the hard, not hard drive, but the drivers are behind that. The plastic seems pretty heavy duty. It doesn't seem cheap. We have some good flexibility. I love the turn of the cups. Gives the ability to go flat. Kind of feels weird, but it's way better than having this up in your neck all the time. But I like the idea of having the flexibility of that. It also comes out and adjusts, and then the top, though it is small, it seems like the padding on it will last up, but we'll see on that. I do also like that it folds down. It's stored this way or vice versa. But yeah, seems like a sturdy build. Looking back in the battery life, at a full charge, which takes about 3 hours to charge it fully from dead, gives you 30 hours of playback, and then a quick charge of 10 minutes will give you about 5 hours of playback. It's all touchpad, no actual buttons or anything like that, so I'll show you here. It's a double tap to pause my music that was playing, double tap to play, swipe goes to the next song, swipe back goes back to my previous song, swipe up goes up in volume, swipe down, and it looks like if I swipe down and hold, it gives me more than just one little thing. You hold it, it gives you my assistant, never mind. And then if I put my whole palm on it, it filters the noise around me so I can hear while still playing the music in the background. Never actually stops it, just pauses it. Well, not pause it, but lowers the volume of it. If I take the whole headset off, it pauses it on its own, which is a pretty cool feature. And I had it set in my settings where if I take my headset and put it down for ever so long. I don't know the time at the moment. It will power down the headset and save battery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Crazy